This here is a helpful video on how to use your Roku TV with a USB stick that is a drive, the thumb drive that is loaded with videos. Here I have a regular Roku TV with a regular Roku remote control, but I also have this thumb drive that I have loaded for MP4 videos onto. So the first step that you need to do is you need to plug this thumb drive into the back of the Roku TV. So you need to locate the USB port in the back of the television. So let's do that together. You'll find the USB port in the back of the TV, and there it is right there. I can see it. So I'm going to go ahead and take my USB drive and plug it right into that port. There we go. Just push it. I don't force it. I don't want to force it. Just kind of wiggle it in and insert it right into the back of that TV, right into the port. Okay. And now when I do that, what happens is a window pops up that tells me that I need to allow access to the drive. So I'm going to just go ahead and select allow. And it's going to say, now it says the Roku media player is set to be launched when a USB. That's fine. So let's go ahead and launch that. And if you don't already have the Roku media player app, here it is. It's asking me if I want to add the app. So let's go ahead and add the app. It's adding it now. Now I have a child, so I have a passcode set on our on our TV, so forgive me while I enter the passcode real quick. You may have some sort of a security setting to add an app on your TV, so let's go ahead and add the app, and now it's adding the Roku media player. Okay, great. Now I go ahead and say okay, and it's asking me if I want to open the app. Yes, I'm going to open the app now. And the Roku media player app begins to play on my Roku TV. Now, you're given a menu here. This is all, that means all the media that you have on the stick, or videos or audio you can sort through. We're looking for video, so I'm going to go ahead and just say video. Okay, on the disk drive. Yes, that's correct. And there are the 4 videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, that I have already preloaded onto my USB stick. Now, this part is very important that you follow these steps precisely. When I see the 4 videos in front here, I'm going to select the first video. That's fine. And now I'm given this menu up here, play, and it's got the name of the video and some information about the size of the video, but more importantly is it's got this search and options up at the top if I push the star on my Roku control. So I'm going to go ahead and push the star right there on the control, and now I have a separate menu, and this menu is one of the more important ones because now I can set to shuffle, or I want it to repeat all. I'm going to go ahead and select repeat all. I want it to be on, just to repeat all. Playlist mode's fine. Okay, I don't want shuffle on because it's actually already in the order that we want it. The playlist is already in the order, so I don't want shuffle on, but I definitely want repeat all on. Now I slide down to OK. There we go. And now when I select play, it's going to start playing my videos in a continuous loop and it's going to play those 4 videos right from the USB stick. So that's how to use a USB stick for your digital waiting room program. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you.